Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an ANZ Australian online check and saving account in 2023. ANZ is one of Australia's leading banks, offering a wide range of financial services to its customers. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your online checking and saving account with ANZ, providing you with a convenient access to your finances. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section. You'll have to simply visit the ANZ website. So go to this URL section, type anz.com.au and hit the enter button. That will take you right away to the home screen or main screen of ANZ bank account. So as you can see here the alarm bells. Scams are growing even more complex and sophisticated. So learn more about protecting yourself from scams. You can learn more from here if you want, or if you're interested about that. And of course, from here, if you don't know much about the ANZ Bank, you can scroll down, read more information about it, and get familiarized with it. So, because a lot of people will not just want to open like a bank account on a random bank that they know nothing about. So make sure to go and read more information about it. Ask people about it if they have an account already, and just be sure that you want to open an account here. Once you do so, of course, if you have an account, you can always log in into your account. So maybe if you have a debit card on them or something like that, logging into your account will help you creating your checking and saving account very easily without any problems. So for here, for me, I'm just going to click on personal here at the top left corner. And once you click on it, as you can see, you will find bank accounts, personal loans, and a lot of options that we want here. So for me, I'm just going to click on bank accounts here right away. And once I do so, if I scroll down, as you can see, I'll find some options or some plans that I can choose from. So as you can see, we have here 3 plans and we have some features that we can compare from. So let's start by the beginning. So bank accounts gets on top of your money and explore our range of bank accounts. So everyday accounts, saving accounts, terms, deposits, and kids banking. So go next level with ANZ Plus. With ANZ Plus, you get 2 bank accounts that are designed to help you build your financials, well-being, and achieve your saving goals. I want to learn more about. If you want to learn more about anything, you can simply go and click on those links here and learn more about it. So as you can see, boost your saving, move to ANZ Plus and earn 4.65% PA interest. And if ANZ save balance is below 250 grants. And of course, you can discover the ANZ Plus from here, and you can even learn more about the interest and fees. And let's just see how ANZ Plus is different. So as you can see, we have here the ANZ Plus and ANZ Save. We can, of course, explore it from here. So what's the difference from the other ones? So first of all, the ANZ Plus and ANZ Save will give you transacts and saving accounts, both. So the checking accounts and saving accounts. And of course, the monthly action or account fee will be no monthly account fee. Interest rates will be the highest on other plans. The access and support will be, of course, available here. The features will be much better than the other options. The payments, you can pay bills with BPay and pay with Pay ID, daily pay, annual limits up to 5,000, option to increase up to $30,000, and cardless payments with digital wallets. And Visa debit card, yes. And security, of course, as you can see, a lot of securities here and what you need to be eligible. So this is the criteria that you'll have to meet to have the plus or ANZ Plus. So you can see you will be able, or you'll have it if you are 15 plus years of age, for individual accounts, not for joint accounts, and an Australian resident address, and Australian passport, Australian driver license, or international passport. For other plans, as example, like the ANZ Access Advantage, we have the monthly account fees $5. Of course, interest rate you can find this here. More information if you scroll down. So let's just get on what you need to be eligible. So you'll be or you'll need 12 years or more of age, and for individual or joint account, on Australian resident address only. So that's what you only need. And of course, for the debit card or Visa debit card, yes, for customers 12 plus years of age with an Australian residence address. And of course, here we have like the criteria, as we said before. And the last offer is just going to be the ANZ Online Saver. So not available in the ANZ Plus app. And of course, as same as this one. But this is just a saving account, so just keep this in mind. If you scroll down, of course, at the bottom here, the ANZ Visa debit card will not be available here, and the criteria is just you'll need to be 12 years old or more for individual or joint account, an Australian residence address, a linked eligible ANZ account, and of course, simply depending on whatever you choose, you can simply click on explore or let's just click on get started with ANZ Plus, which is the first option or the first plan. That includes, of course, the chicken or have the chicken and saving account. And as you can see, get started with ANZ Plus today. So here you'll find more informations or more features that you want. So if you want, click on open now. If you want to join, or as you can see, if you click on open now, this will simply, wherever you click on open now, this will simply take you here. So join ANZ Plus for free. So eligible criteria, you'll have to be 15 years old or more, individual account only, joint account not yet available, Australian residence, residential on the mailing address, Australian international passport or Australian driver license. And of course here, as you can see, you can simply scan the code to get started. So prefer to receive a link to download. If you prefer, you can simply click on get a message or SMS link now, and you get you enter your number here. You'll get a link, download it, and from there you'll be able to open your account, which is mean the phone. As an example, if you don't want this example, you want other plans, you can click on find out more. You'll be able to read more information about it. Then simply click on check. You can check out from here the plus. You can get started from here. As an example, you'll have to simply download the app again. So there's no way out of this app, as you can see. But if you want, as an example, other than ANZ Plus, you can go and apply now. As an example, from here, like the other plans, you'll be able to apply from now. So once you click on apply, as you can see, let's get started. Are you single or joint? Single. Already bank with us? No. Do you hold this? I'm just going to click on yes, continue. So for you, of course, make sure to go and enter accurate informations. And for you here, as you can see, add ANZ online saver account now. Click on yes because we want chicken saving accounts. Click on continue. And here, what you'll have to do is enter your personal information, verify your identity, and simply review and submit or accept the terms and conditions of use. Once you do all of that, you'll have to wait 1 day or 2 business days, and you will have your chicken and saving account at ANZ. So if you like this video, of course, if you reached this point of this video, thank you for joining us in this tutorial on how to create an ANZ Australia online checking and saving account in 2023. ANZ, of course, offers a seamless and user-friendly banking experience, enabling you to manage your finances efficiently. Remember to keep your account information secure and feel free to reach out to ANZ customer support if you need any assistance. Enjoy your banking with ANZ, and we wish you financial success on your journey. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. If you have any questions, you can always leave them down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.